How to get a share link for your share calendar on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe up to go into the apps screen. In here, open up the calendar app. Next, tap on the menu key. From the pop-out menu, we scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Manage Calendars. Next, open up your share calendar and then go down and tap on Share With. Down here, make sure invitation link is turned on. Here, you will see there is a share link to your share calendar. So tap on Share Link. And then you can tap on Copy. So tap on the Copy button here. Once it is copied to the clipboard, you can then share it to other apps or to other contacts. And that's it. After you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.